Hello, everyone. Today we are starting a brand new series. It is on Make.com, very similar to Zapier, but this is formerly Intergrommet. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And we're going to do a really simple automation. So it's basically going to be sending yourself a test email in Make.com or through Make.com through your email. So the goal is to learn how basic automation apps we're going to use is Make and email. It could either be your email or Gmail account. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing that you do want to do is you want to make sure that you're logged in. So, they give you a 30-day free trial for Make if you do not have Make. If it's something that you or your organization want to look into, I would recommend taking that 30-day trial just to play around with it and see if it's something that your organization would be interested in investing in. However, for right now, what we are going to do is we're going to dive into the automation. So the first thing is, if you're already logged in, great. The second step that you are going to make is you are going to create a new scenario. So right where you see in the right top corner, where it says, first it says organization settings, then it has the three dots, and then it has create organization. Create scenario. You're going to click create scenario. And then the next thing that you are going to do is, because I'm going to be using Gmail as my email account. You can use Outlook. It's the same procedure. So it's not that much difference. It's just different email providers, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my Gmail account. And then we're gonna select our module, which in Make, they're not called actions, they're called modules. So we're going to select send email, and then we are going to add this one in here. It is, and I'm just going to type in the email address that I am going to be using to test. Now the subject is going to be a test from Make.com. And then we're just going to leave that as is. I'm going to click on the white space so I can scroll down. So if you want to add some body content, you could go ahead and say, hello everyone. This is my very first automation through Make.com. And of course, so now we're going to exit out of that. And then we're going to click on the white space. And nothing else really needs to. But if you do have a signature, I would go ahead and use it. And then we're going to save it. And then now, since we have everything all set up, we're going to go ahead and run it. And it looks like it went through. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check our email to make sure that it went all the way through. So let's go into our inbox. We are in, believe we're in the right one. Let's go ahead and refresh. And there you go. There is your email. there is your very first automation, and it will take you, and it will send your email directly to your Gmail account. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button or subscribe, and I will see you in the next session. Thanks. Bye-bye.